Et n'a montré photo là. Ouais, ça c'est photo là. OK, nous prenons le bon. OK, n'a montré photo là bien là, nous bon ça là, partagez-les pour nos amis et capable ouais, nous bon ça là à travers Facebook et à travers YouTube. Ouais, n'a montré là.
Thank you guys for coming. It's not. I'm not happy, but I'm happy because my mom is like in a better place. You know, she's not here suffering. She's with her father now, and so I can't question God. I can't tell God why He did it because He's grown. He do whatever He wants. Bon Dieu grand monde, bon Dieu fait ça vle, ak moun li vle, de façon vle. So, pa ganyen ka di apre ça. For the people who knew my mom, you guys know, like, she was always smiling. Always smiling. For my friends, depuis friends me moute sur FaceTime, she's always shaking her butt. She's twerking. She's just... My mom was my everything. Like, she was... I mean, we fight sometimes, you know. Everybody fight. We argue, but that's my mom. That's everything. When I say zokot, yo, that was my zokot. That was everything for me, you know. it was her time. So and I know she's gonna always be here with me. Always. She's gonna always be here. We're gonna pray. We're gonna pray because it's exactly how my mom would want it for us to pray. And my mom probably won't like be sad. She don't want nobody sad for her. You know, we have to be happy. It's gonna hurt us, but we have to be happy because she's with her father now, you know? Even when I feel like I get depressed, I think about my mom and I be like, Mommy don't want me acting like this. Mommy don't want me being sad. Mommy wants me to smile. Because every time, Sharon, pakite mun stress you out, Sharon, you have to laugh, sharing this, sharing that. Every time I go to my mom's house, when she smile at me, when she crack on me, like, she crack on my extra tooth every day, all the time. But she always loved me. Like, that's one person I could say who say I love you, and she mean it. My mom will beat anybody up about me. Même si avec Tibato and Liam, she'll beat somebody up. Because nobody's supposed to play with her daughter. But she's gone now, but she's living here in spirit. She's with me in spirit. And yeah. And she loves you guys, trust me. She loves all my friends, all my sisters. She loves everybody. Yon confiance qui s'en mesure, yon capable pas jamais tomber, délivrance yon assuré, à confiance nous va marcher, à confiance notre
The song messed up my video. The song messed up my video. Yeah, because it's copyrighted that
Mon qui m'aime, t'es un Jésus. Y'all can say with me. Yon confiance qui s'en mesure. Yon capable pas jamais tomber. Délivrance yon assuré. À confiance nous va marcher. À confiance notre triompher. À confiance jusqu'à la fin. Bon Dieu va l'ouvrir chemin. Bon Dieu va l'ouvrir chemin. Bon Dieu va l'ouvrir chemin. Oh l'Éternel, moi compter sur ou même celle où parler, personne pas qu'à reposer. Oh bon papa, moi fixé dième sous, moi connais ou pas abandonner. Parlez pour moi, Seigneur, parlez pour moi. Agis pour moi, Seigneur, agis pour moi. Campez pour moi, Seigneur, campez pour moi. Oh, poussez tout ça besoin. Poussez tout ça besoin. Oh l'Éternel, moi compter sur ou même celle où parler, personne pas qu'à opposer. Oh bon papa, Moi fixé j'aime sous. Moi connais vous pas abandonner. Parlez pour moi, Seigneur, parlez pour moi. Agis pour moi, Seigneur, agis pour moi. Campez pour moi, Seigneur, campez pour moi. Oh, vous c'est tout ça nous besoin. Oh, c'est tout ça nous besoin. Oh, c'est tout ça nous besoin.
It's dead.
Father God, we thank you for everything you have done for us. Thank you for letting us see another day. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to wake up, to open our eyes, to breathe, to have both of our arms, to have both of our legs, both of our eyes, to wake up with everything we came out the womb with, Lord. Not everybody is as blessed as us. And we fail to realize that we are so blessed. And we complain about the smallest things. We complain about clothes that we need to be having, like brand name stuff, but we have clothes on our backs. We complain about fancy food, but we do have food on the table. And we just don't realize that we are blessed because there's people everywhere on the streets asking for food. They're looking for a job. We have opportunity to be working, God. And we do thank you for everything, God. We may not say it every day, but we thank you for everything you've given us. Thank you for all the opportunities that we have, Lord. And at this moment, we're here at this candlelight for my mom. We know that she's already with you. You are making her happy. She has her wings. She's your angel now, God. And I don't want to question you because you are a grown man. You do whatever you want. You are the boss. You are the king. You do whatever you want. I cannot question you, God. Everything you do, you have a reason you may be doing it. We may not understand all the time, but you have a reason. And I'm asking you to give me strength, Lord, because sometimes I feel like being depressed. I feel like just going off the road when I'm driving. I just want to give up. I just want to give up. I want to be with my mom. I want to be with her, but then I have to snap out of it and know that my mission is not done. My goal is not done. I'm not done on this earth, Lord. I know that you have a plan for me. And I'm asking you to do as you please with my heart. Do as you please with my body, God. Don't let me take control of my body, but you take control, God. Take control of my body, Lord. Don't let me want to be something without you, God. I want to be with you. I want to worship you. I want to give you my life. I want to give you my heart. And I need you in my life more and more every day. I need you to bless my family. Bless everyone that's here tonight who came to support. Even the people that they didn't really know my mom. They came and they supported me. And I'm asking you to bless everyone here tonight. Bless everyone. Anything that they're asking you, God, I ask that you feel. If you feel that's what they deserve, if that's what they need, or if they need more, give it to them. Bless everyone that's here, God. Bless them, bless their children. Bless everyone that's here that came to show love, God. Bless the people who wanted to be here and who couldn't be here because of certain life situations, God. I'm asking you to bless my family, bless my dad, bless my siblings. Make us love one each other. God, this situation is just tearing us apart, but that's not what it's supposed to be doing right now. It's supposed to bring us closer. Everyone who's tearing apart